It's Christmas. Oh. This is breakfast today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate the holiday and happy holidays to those who don't. Here in Japan, Christmas is a bit different from most religious countries around the world for those Jamaicans, especially the fact that the new emperor's birthday is not in December on the 24th. It's now in February. The whole Christmas holiday period has changed. So persons actually work here on the 25th. Even ALTs now are actually at school at this very moment working, because on Friday, the 25th of December 2020, and that's how cultures are. They have differences, and you have to, when in Rome, do as Romans do. Now, it was supposed to be the last video for the Vlogmas, which is 25 days of videos or vlogs for the month of December. But, you know, as you know, life happens, and it has been a rough time based on me traveling and having internet issues to upload and that sort of thing. This Vlogmas has also been indicative of the type of year we've had here in 2020, with its ups and downs, easy times, less easy times and hard times, you know. And with each day passing in 2020, it is a year for the record books. We are living in history. We're living in a pandemic, something that will be written about in future generations. I don't know how we will remember it, but let's leave an indelible mark on this planet, like a good indelible mark, you know. Don't mind the host walking through the video because he's a boss, you know what I mean? He's a wonderful chef, you know what I mean? So yeah. Oh, that's my friend's husband. You're right. Anyway, so, as I said, once you have life, you have hope, and I just want people to maintain that and try and be positive and live well with people. Do good. Treat people how you want to be treated and how you want to receive. Treat people with respect, you know what I mean? And foster good relationships, good friendships, and all of that. Because we don't know when we'll take our last breath, and everybody wants to remember in a positive way. You know what I mean? Well, I want to be, certainly. And also, so yes, you'll be getting your 25 videos before Boxing Day, I hope. I have some more videos to edit and put out. And yeah. And then Christmas this year has been different for me, because it will be the first Christmas that all my grandparents won't be alive. So, yeah. My grandma passed, I think, 2 days ago, or the day ago. I can't remember, because the time, the days are just a blur here. So, yeah. So that's it. That was, yeah. But we have to remain positive, because that's a part of life. Death is a part of life. So, on that note, I know she'll want persons to remember her as the good matriarch she was, and to also remember God in times like these, and also, yeah, it's not really about that. It came out. As you know, my videos are not really just planned. But yeah, I want you guys to enjoy the holidays and have a wonderful new year when it comes. After the last vlog video, whatever that comes out for the Vlogmas, I'll be taking a little break. So, and there's like over 500 videos on the channel, so you guys can rewatch and share with your friends and subscribe. Make sure you cop the merch, and also check out the pabanda.com. Pullover, very comfortable, luxurious pullover at pabanda.com. All right, it's really warm actually. I haven't even worn anything underneath it, just a sweater when I go out and stuff. It's really cool. It's really warm. All right, I'm gonna go eat my breakfast now. And yeah. Well, thank you. If I do. Hi, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Ikimashou. Damn. Now put the foot in this, my dear.